We're continuing the series of videos here, screencast, going over the June 2015 algebra regents and seeing how we can solve some of these problems using the TI Nspire CX calculator, or handheld as they call it. It says, Albert says that two systems of equations shown below have the same solutions. Determine and state whether you agree with Albert. Justify your answer. Well, undoubtedly, simply stating the answer and just saying yes or no because these are the answers, I doubt that's going to get you full credit. You're going to have to learn how to and know how to do these yourself. Little hint here, I prefer to use elimination for the first system, and it's really easy to use substitution. All we have to do is solve for y here, and it comes out very nicely. But let's now go and solve for linear equations. I'm going to just get a fresh page here. So control, page, calculator once again. Okay, so again, we're going to hit menu and algebra and solve for system of linear equations. This is really neat. We have two equations for each one of these systems. So we have values x and y. That's cool. It's what we have in our systems here. We're going to click that, and up comes this. Now, this will solve a linear equation, or a system of linear equations, as long as we have don't have any x squareds, y squareds, x to the third, things like that. It won't solve those, but we simply have a linear equation. So let's enter it. 8x plus 9y. It's nice to have those keys. And that equals 48. We can arrow down. We have 12. Whoops, I didn't arrow down there. Hit that. And we have 12 x plus 5y equals 21. I'll just hit our enter. And there's our solutions. 3/4 for x, negative 3/4 for x, and 6 for y. Now we can just simply do this all over again with the second system and see if we end up with the same solution. So to review, menu, algebra, solve system of linear equations. Again, two equations. Click OK. And we have 8x plus 9y. That's the same, isn't it? Equals 48. And arrow down. And we have negative. Remember to use that negative sign. 8 5/10. Y, there's no x in this one. Equals negative 51. Enter. Well, in this case we have a decimal, but we know that negative 3/4 and negative 0.75 are the same. So now we know the answer for this is yes, and we could justify it in part by giving our x and y values. But again, you're going to have to do some of this work, pencil and paper, but it's nice to know that you're going in the right direction or the wrong direction. This gives you guidance in solving the problem.